Hey y'all. All right. So, full disclosure, I have tried to do this video already and my camera just not like me some days. So, I'm going to try this again. Take two with this. This is one of the smaller canvases that they have. It is a Mandi Manzano. It is Always Us. It is round. The size, well, I would put this more towards, I guess, small to medium because the size is 32 by 50 centimeter. I really like the tree on top of the earth. I don't know, I'm a science teacher, so it's just a thing. And this SKU says AB in it. We're going to look for those ABs, see if there are any. I'm excited. I haven't done, I checked the beads, and then I realized that the camera was acting foolish. So, let's do this. Alrighty. Y'all know. Love my Mandi Manzanos. Alright, this has a born on day of March 9th of 2019. It has 32 colors in it, and it came with a schematic. And I see an AB right there. See? Green. I'll focus you in and again in a minute. That green is lovely. It's lovely. And then there's another one, and I think it's that white right beside it. So it comes with a schematic, which I will throw in my Xyron and make a sticker out of it. 603 has some major visitors. They were throwing a party or something. I mean, I was not invited to this party. But as you can see, there are a lot of visitors in 603. Right beside it is 898. Now, these look dark blue. These little visitors in this pink look dark blue. And 898 is brown. So, yeah, I need to find out where they come from. Another pink. Another pink. 939, we know that is dark blue, even though it looks black. There's a blue, and oh, they were having a party too. I saw you. I saw you. Yeah, it's hiding now. It don't want to leave the party. 823, there's a blue. There's another blue. 310 live. Just 2 bags. Like I said, this is kind of like a, it's in between small and medium canvas, I would say. But that 310 live, that's not bad for a Mandi Manzano, I guess. Blue, and blue. Yes. All right. So we got some blue action going on. And what is up? Did they just throw a party or something? That has a lot. I mean, I see at least 3 in there. Wow. All right. So we're going to take them this way. And let's go over them. Okay. Yellow. Bright yellow. There's a pretty kind of a soft green. There is another soft green. Let's see if I can get you a little clearer. There we go. Oh, that's better. Here are your 2 ABs. You have a white and you have a green. And that is a pretty green. Then you have another green. And you have a dark green. And you have kind of like a burnt orange. There's a pink. There is a purple. Almost, it's not really lilac, but that is a purple. There's a dark green. There's a green with some partiers in there. We just visited. There's a wine color that's real pretty. There's a brown, a magenta, another kind of sort of almost pinkish magenta. There is a blue with a partier there, a purple, a blue, and a pink. So there is a lot of blue and there is a lot of pink. So, and we had a party going on in these bags. I tell you, they were partying hard. They didn't invite me. Were you invited to the party? I'll be upset if y'all were invited to the party. I wasn't invited to their party. Okay. Let's get this back in here. Like I said, this is like a second try. There we go. Okay. Okay. So we're going to move those over to the side. We're going to pull this out. I am going to roll it backwards so you don't see. So you don't see what I see. Because I am looking, because like I've not seen it all the way yet. Because when I found the schematic list in there, I stopped and I went and started looking at beads, and that's when I saw the camera was acting foolish. Okay, so of course I did it wrong, but that's okay. This is pretty. It'll probably be a little while before I do this one. Now this one's kind of tall. Let me get you on up here. Hi. There we go. Are you straight? Yes. Okay. Okay. So we're going to look at the whole view first, and then I'll bring you on down. You have your information, your deets. And you got to have your deets. You got your logo, so you know that this is DAC. Do what makes you sparkle. And you got your shimmer, your nice little shimmer. I mean, canvas shimmers without any beads on it. Come on, really? You have your two schematics because it is a taller one. Like I said, it's 32 centimeters wide, but it is 50 centimeters long. So you do need your two schematics if you use the schematic. Like I said, I don't. I love the tree on the earth. Now, I'll be quite honest. I never saw the people. I've never seen the people. That is so cool. Golly. I'm just trying to take it all in. You know, I bought this one while me and the boyfriend were still together. Because, you know, the tree, the earth lets the tree grow and it nurtures the tree. Like the tree is the relationship. And yeah, I never saw the two people. Okay, I see something else too. Wow. Yeah. But, you know, now that me and him aren't together, I don't know when this one will get done. It may be a while before this one gets done. Because obviously I will need to be doing something else. I will need to probably be in another relationship before I do this one, because then I will have more memories to put into this one while I'm doing this one. But here's a person and here's a person. I think that's a person. Looks like a person, right? But look, I just noticed this person is lassoing like a star. And that reminds me of what's the show? Jimmy Stewart. It's a Wonderful Life, where he told her he would lasso the moon for her. That's what that reminds me of. Okay, it's very pretty. You know, Mandi Manzano is awesome with the lines. I love the lines because it makes it kind of look a little stained glassy. Definitely going to be sticky. I can Let me show you. Let me show you. I always go to the bottom corner. And, yep, sticky. I do not see any problems at all with these symbols. I want to get over here into the pink. Sometimes it's the pinks and the reds where they do these darker black symbols. Sometimes I have a little trouble with seeing. So I'm going to focus you for close up, and we're going to get down into these. Yeah. So the S and the E are going to be really fun. Yes, there's an S and there is an E. Can you see it? Yeah. A little bit of trouble there. But, I mean, like, look at these number symbols. And yes, I'm old, so this is a number symbol. It is not a hashtag. I mean, I can see those. They need to work on their dark symbols with pinks and reds. I'm just saying. I will need a light pad when I do these. But the rest of them are very, very clear. Very clear. I think it's a beautiful image. It's just that when I bought it, I was in a relationship, and now I'm not. So it's going to wait. It is going to wait till I'm in a different relationship. And then maybe I will do it and put some memories to it that have nothing to do with the old relationship. Just saying. So I don't know when you will see this one done. But it is beautiful. Just, I mean, look at the earth. Look down here, the earth. That is awesome. And the tree with the roots into the earth growing. Okay, so yeah, that's, it's still pretty, but I kind of want to hold off on doing it just yet. I don't want to do it right now. I'm not in a good place. I would just be giving this one definitely away, because donating it somehow, some way, shape, or form, just for the basic fact of why I bought it. And I don't want to do that. I'm not sure I want that. So the picture is definitely dark. You can't see those people. You can't. I had no idea there were people in it, honestly. So if you know what's... Oh, let me take out the toolkit. My bad. We didn't go over that, did we? Now see, it had a toolkit in it. I hadn't even taken that out yet. If you've done this one, or you know the meaning behind This Is Us, because sometimes Mandi Manzano will discuss the meaning of her pictures, let me know. Maybe there's different meaning that, oh, well, there we go, than what I'm thinking. So, yeah, there is Always Us. This Is Us, Lord. That's a show. It's a show I don't even watch. Goodness gracious. But if you know Always Us, the story behind it, holler at me. Let me know. Put it in the comments down below. That rhymed. I'm a poet and didn't even know it. Yeah. Woo, it's early. It's early. Okay, so guys, until I see you again, please come back and visit and check out more of my videos. And ooh, I don't know what that was. Until next time, y'all. Bye.